Welcome back. So what we're looking at today is 9.9, adding and subtracting more fractions. So let's go ahead and jump right in. So how can adding and subtracting fractions help you solve problems? Kayla had 9/10 gallon of paint. She painted the ceilings in her bedroom, 2/3 gallon, and bathroom 1/5 gallon. How much paint does she have left after painting the two ceilings? So what we need to take and do is add the 2/3 and the 1/5 together, and then we can subtract that from the 9/10 to find out how much is left. So we have 2/3 and 1/5. In order to add these, we need a common denominator. The common denominator between 3 and 5 is 15. So I do not know what's going on with these lines. So 3 times 5 is 15, 2 times 5 is 10. Multiply both these by 3, 15, and 3. So 10 plus 3 is 13/15. So that's how much paint she used. Now we're taking 9/10 minus 13/15. Now we need to find the common denominator between 10 and 15, which is going to be 30. I apologize for all these weird lines. So we multiply the first fraction both by 3, so 9 times 3 is 27. We multiply the second one by 2, 13 times 2 is 26. We subtract these, so we have 1/30 of a gallon left. So not very much left compared to what she started with. So for these, you're going to be doing multiple steps sometimes, possibly. Or you're going to have some more complicated denominators where you'll have to think a little bit more about what the common denominator is going to be. So we have 15 and 6. Common denominator between these is going to be what? Well, they can both go into 30. So common denominator would be 30. So we multiply the first fraction all by 2, so we have 2/30. We multiply the second one by 5, so we have 5/30 equals 7/30. So there's our answer. All right, our next one, we have 7/16 minus 1/4. So we've got 16 and 4 for denominators. Once again, they're unlike, but we need to take and make them common denominators. So both 16 and 4 can go into 16. So we keep the first fraction the same. Change the second one. 4 times 4 gives us 16, so 1 times 4 will go there. 7 minus 4 is 3. So we end up with 3/16. So this is all about knowing your denominators and figuring out what that common denominator is. So denominator is your key word for this lesson, denominator. All right, here we have 25/50 minus 2/4. Now, to make this one easier, look at these. 25 over 50. Can we reduce that? Yeah, we can. That's 1/2 minus 2/4. Does that reduce? Yep, divide them both by 2. You're going to get 1/2. 1/2 minus 1/2 is 0. So our answer there is 0. So sometimes you may be able to simplify your fraction first to make it a little easier. So always look out for that, because when we can simplify, it definitely makes our problems easier. All right, if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Have a great day. Bye, guys.